Welcome to Best Primary Maths. Today lesson about types of proportion, direct proportion and inverse proportion. Today I will teach about direct proportion. Okay. At my channel you will get good information about primary maths. So if you like this video, then share and subscribe my channel. Also press the bell button because immediately you will get all notification when I upload my new video. Okay. Let us start the lesson. Direct proportion. Definition of direct proportion. When two quantities increase together or decrease together, they are said to be directly proportional, or they are in a direct proportion with each other. Okay. Let us start the example. First one, the cost of 2 meters cloth 80 rupees. But what is the cost of such a 5 meters cloth? Okay. Solution. The cost of 2 meters cloth is 80 rupees. The cost of 5 meter cloth is B rupee X. Okay. You should find out value of X. Okay. Ratio of the meters of clothing equal to 2 meters is to 5. The ratio of the costs of clothing 80 is to X. Okay. At the proportion, product of extreme terms equal to the product of middle terms. Okay. Extreme terms are 2 and X. 2 into X equal to middle terms are 5 and 80. 5 into 80. Okay. X equal to 5 into 80 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 40s are 80, or 2 ones are 2. 2 4s are 80. 0 left should be written as it is. Okay. 40 left. 5 into 40. 45s are 200, or 5 zeros are 0. 5 4s are 20. Okay. When we get to change the order, the product is we get the product same. We get the same product. The cost of 5 meters cloth 200 rupees. Okay. X equal to 200 rupees. Therefore 2 into value of X 200 equal to the 5 into 80. 85 is a 400. 202 is a 400. Here two quantities are increased together. Okay. So this example in a direct proportion. Got it? Let us go into another example. 3 kg of sugar cost rupee 84. What is the cost of such 5 kg sugar? 3 kg sugar costs rupee 84. The cost of 5 kg sugar B rupee X. We should find out the value of X. Okay. Ratio of weight of the sugar 3:5. Ratio of costs of the sugar 84 is to X. At the proportion, product of extreme terms equal to the product of middle terms. Okay. extreme terms are 3 and x. 3 and x. And middle terms 5 into 84. X equal to 5 into 84 divided by 3. Okay. 3 1 ja 3. 3 2 ja 6. 2 left. 24. 3 8 ja 24. Okay. 28 left. X equal to 5 into 28. 28 5 are 140 or 5 8 are 40, 4 carry, 5 2 are 10, 4 carry add 14. Okay. X equal to 140 rupees. 140 rupees is the cost of 5 kg sugar. Okay. Therefore 3 into 3 value of 6 value of x is 140. 140 is the value of x. 5 kg sugar, cost of 5 kg sugar. Okay. Equal to 5 into 84. 84 5s are 420. Again 140 into 3 420. Okay, we got same product. So this example in a direct proportion also. Okay, here increase together, two quantities are increased together, so this is direct proportion. Okay, example of direct proportion. Got it? Thank you.